Are you looking for a house that is literally 30 seconds away from Snow Valley Ski Resort?
Or are you looking for a property that's so close to the golf course, if your swing was a bit better than mine, you might be able to get it right on the green?
Are you looking for a property that's a perfectly manicured yard, about a 230 feet deep pie-shaped lot, and a nice backyard with a pool that is ready for your next pool party? This may be it. So Luke, today we find ourselves just outside of Barrie in the original Snow Valley Estate specifically. This is a beautiful area, walking distance to the hill. It's about a 30-second drive to the hill. Your kids can walk there every single night. They can work there every single night. How do I know? Because my wife and I did that. We lived in Snow Valley and we absolutely loved it. Now, what does that mean for you? That means you can enjoy every single night in the backyard or in this beautiful house.
That's right, but enough of location. I'm here to talk about that house, and we have a doozy for you here. This is a 2,400 square foot bungalow. That means you've got 5,000 square feet of living space almost, and what gorgeous living space it is. We've got a beautiful front door. We've got two new beautiful garage doors. We've got an updated facade. We've got new soffit space and eaves troughs. We've got a new roof in the last few years.
Yep.
What more do you want? This house is gorgeous, and you've got to get inside and check it out.
Like Luke mentioned, outside over 2,400 square feet, that means lots of room in here. Updated cabinets, quartz countertops. You have a dining room so big you could fit the whole Knowles Woolsey team. My favorite is the family room, a nice wood-burning fireplace. Both of these all overlook your backyard paradise. You can watch your kids from either of these rooms.
And this main floor has so much to offer. You really feel those 2,400 square feet from this beautiful front door, which we mentioned outside. It's also got the wood grain on the inside as well as the outside, really bringing in that natural feel to this home office, which has loads of natural light and tons of space that we're all needing these days. After that, you've got a 4-piece bath that's been updated in the last few years for the family, as well as 3 excellent sized bedrooms, none other than this beautiful master suite, which has tons of space, and a brand new renovated ensuite just this year, which has a freestanding soaker tub as well as a glass shower.
If the curb appeal out front didn't blow your mind, or the inside of the house, you're absolutely gonna love it out here. You're about 230 feet deep. You have about 180 feet of width along the back as well. Gardens and grass, perfectly manicured. Now that is my type of property.
Now it might be a little hard to picture that perfectly manicured lawn with all the snow kicking around right now.
I think with some imagination, I have a feeling you're gonna be able to figure it out.
You might be right. But let me tell you, the upgrades don't stop there as well. I don't know if we mentioned earlier that we've got a brand new roof in the last 2 years. We've got a new pool heater last year and a new pool liner. All that in this perfect, tranquil, beautiful backyard. And I think we mentioned with my poor golf swing earlier that we're just kind of a walk to the Vesper Hills Golf Course. What else would you want in a property and in a home? We've got it all for you right here.
Absolutely. We are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Snow Valley.